Hi there, this is an informative video on tapping. This is a custom tapping machine that I made. It's all out of stainless steel, definitely a little extravagant for tapping, but just kind of wanted a showpiece tapper here and had the material. This is a industrial pneumatic tapper that I sell on my eBay website, and it's quite powerful. It's 2-speed, 90 and 250 revolutions per minute, and I just want to demonstrate its capabilities. I have it in the 250 speed right now, and let's take a look at how it works. Okay, so I'm oiling up the tap, and I'm doing this all one-handedly. Now this is a number size 2 Bills tapper. Here we go, through 1-inch thick steel plate. Okay, so that's our first thread, and that's 3/8 16 course. And the beauty of the Bills system is how fast the taps are interchangeable or changed. And next we're going to go with half 13 course, and this just pops right in there. The first one was a clutch type collet adapter. This is just a rigid, and we're going to still go on the higher speed. A 1/2 inch should be fine for this. And these are just pre-drilled holes of the correct size, but here we go. So we'll back it out, and then I'm gonna, it's a little bit stiff for this material. This material is slightly hardened. I was flame cut. So now I went to the 90 RPMs. Now watch the difference. Okay, so that's a 1/2 inch by 13 course, right through 1-inch plate. Now we're going to jump up to a 3/4 by 10 course. Also with this system, there are adapters to go down to the Bills 1 size, and also that's why it has the capability of going faster. This is the adapter that takes you down to the Bills 1 size. So the 250 RPM is just for the smaller taps. Okay, so now we're going to go to 3/4 inch by 10 course. There we go, a little bit hard one-handedly. And of course we're going to put some cutting oil on our tap. And once again, this is through 1-inch thick steel plate. It's slightly hardened from the torch cutting, but it's a good challenge for the tapper. Alright, so we're coming down to the pre-drilled hole, and here we go. As you can see, it went right through the bottom. That's pretty impressive. That's 3/4 inch tap, went right through 1 inch thick plate steel. So this thing's got bukus of power, and pneumatic, so it lasts basically forever. It doesn't get hot like electric based motors. Okay, and now we're going to go to a 1 inch by 20 threads tap, and this is actually the first time that I'm trying this, so let's see how it works, if it's able to do it or not. I just kind of got all this stuff finished and got this kind of an oddball tap adapter size, but here we go. Let's try it out. Okay, 1 inch by 20. Wow, it did it. That was beautiful. And the threads are kind of hard to see with this, just my iPhone, but I can tell you they're beautiful. The threads, just perfect. So it was able to do that. Let's try the next challenge. This is kind of a bottoming tap. It's a 1 by 14. I'm going to have to reverse it a few times just to clear the tap, as it's a hand tap. But this will kind of showcase how neat this tapper works. Also, just so everyone knows, this button here, as soon as you hit it, it reverses. So the capability to go forward and reverse is just a movement of your finger. Okay, so here we go to a 5/16 pre-drilled hole for this 1 inch by 14 threads. This is a fine tap again as well. And here we go. Put a little more oil on this. Never hurts to oil your taps well on such big demanding holes like this. Okay, let's continue on. And we're through. Just running the tap all the way through to show you there's no tricks, right through 1 inch thick steel plate, 1 inch by 14 threads per inch on this pneumatic industrial tapper. Now we're going to come on our way up. Okay, that was just with a hand tap, as you can see, nothing special. And the threads are hard to see on this iPhone here, but I can tell you that they're beautiful. And then here's all the coarse thread tapped holes. You can see a little better there, not so much glare and reflection. So this is the new tapper, one of 3 that I'm going to carry on my eBay website, and it's going to be listed under Industrial Pneumatic Tappers by Zap Steel Custom Machine. And I have an email at zapsteel@hawaii.rr.com for any questions about tappers, tapping arms, specifically pneumatic tappers, and also we'll even carry some tapping adapters, for the taps themselves. But yeah, quite an impressive pneumatic tapper. Very happy with it. Well made. If you're looking for a hard to find pneumatic tapper that will tap very large holes, this is the tapper for you. I've looked all over the place, and this is the first one that I found after a long line of trying to even get people to get them for me. So if you're interested, eBay or zapsteel@hawaii.rr.com. Thank you for this demonstration. Aloha.